So this is the first of a series of lessons in which we're going to be evaluating expressions. Evaluating basically means that we're going to be solving the expression, meaning that we want to have an answer or something that is equal to something in the end, whether it be an expression, maybe 3 plus x equals 5, or it might be that we get something where we solve for x equals 2. Sorry for the messy writing. But today we're going to talk about evaluating expressions using substitution. So the instructions will usually say evaluate the following expressions, and they'll give you an expression and they'll tell you what the variables are going to be substituted for. So substitution is just what it is in sports and in everything else. There's something else in place of the original. So let's look at this first sample here. So you might get a problem like this that says evaluate this expression for x is 2. That means instead of x, we're substituting the original, which is x, for 2. We're putting in a sub for x, and that sub is 2. So, using order of operations, we're going to move from left to right, starting with multiplication or division. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, and your final answer would be 8. Okay? So let's try another one. Actually, this one's a little more simpler. I don't know where it is. Instead of x, we're substituting 5. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So apparently we like the number 8 today. So we're going to show you this next example actually has 2 variables. So we're evaluating the expression 4x minus 5y equals. And we're evaluating this expression for the case in which x is 3 and y is 2. So that's going to be 4 times 3 minus 5 times 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, minus 5 times 2 is 10, using order of operations there. 12 minus 10 equals 2. So we just evaluated that expression using substitution. One more example, simple one, 6 minus x, but x is a negative 2. So you're going to say 6 minus a negative 2. So this is where the trusty old scoreboard will come in and be helpful. We know that 6 is positive, and minus a negative 2, we're going to put those signs together, make them positive, or that's a situation where somebody on the negative team scored something in the positive basket. Either way, we end up, the team that gets those 2 points is the positive team. So the final score is 8-0 with the positive team winning, and they won by a total of 8 points. Again, just goes to show how much we love the number 8 today.